today.
We're wasting time. Let's go.
Seize the day.
Good morning. Are we going to search for ancient relics today?
I hope today, too, shall be prosperous.
It is unwise to waste the precious morning hours. Time to train.
Oh, you're quite the brave one, aren't you? Morning, comrade. You're raring to go today, I see.
Morning! Where's the adventure at today?
Good morning, Jean. Oh, it's you. Sorry, dear.
Morning! I was just warming my voice up. We're in real good shape today.
Morning. The morn hours are precious. Spend them on that which matters to you.
Yo, good morning. I'm about to head off. Coming with me?
Good morning. Breakfast is served. I will be on hand the whole time. Should you find that anything is not to your taste, please do not hesitate to let me know.
Morning means it's time to check my diary, because my diary reminds me what I'm supposed to do in the morning.
Morning. Time to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you're still feeling sleepy, shake it off.
A successful day starts from the morning. Let's give it our all today.
Morning! Wanna go on a jog?
Morning. Let's do our best today.
Morning. Report your affairs in order of priority.
Morning! Can you hand me that can of salted luch from the cabinet? Time to destroy the wine industry! Good morning. Did you sleep well? According to research, not getting a good night's sleep can have detrimental effects on your cognition and stamina. always help working through the night? Yeah, I know. Can't be helped, I guess.
Dusk and dawn, but fleeting shadows are. Once more, the twists of fate have led you into my everlasting night.
Morning! What's wrong? Is there something stuck in my hair? Oh. Please don't stare at my hairpiece.
Rise and shine! The 2-hour period before sunrise is the perfect time to strike. Because the sentries are getting drowsy towards the end of their long night shift.
The sun is up. Time to hunt.
Good morning. I've missed morning mass, haven't I? It starts too early anyway.
I have to head out this morning to meet a client about a creditor dispute, but I also have to follow up on a consultation from last week by noon. Alright, time to get to work.
What lies in wait for us? I rarely stop to think about it. No matter what dares to stand in my way, I must press forward.
Good morning. Can I come play with you today? Please? I want to go on an adventure.
Well are those who rise in the early morn. While those laid to bed I shall forewarn.
Your arrival is untimely. The morning star has just waned. Breakfast? No, I've already eaten.